multi-language support. Okay, I create the demo project to show the how to use for the localization for the multi-languages. Okay, first to follow the documentation of multi-languages used for the Flutter projects. Okay, first add the two library, Flutter Localization and Intel. Okay, look at that and follow the documentation how to use it. Okay, and our configure our requirement. Okay, I configure in the localization in material app. You can look at that. I add configure for the material localization delegates and global widget localization delegate and Cupertino localization delegate, and I change the languages for the dynamically. I use the river port statement movement. You can use for you can use other state management like a block provider or getx. Okay, I create the simple UI design for the show the hello world. Okay, I use the three languages: English, Arabic and French. Okay, you can add the multiple languages according to your project requirement. Okay, you can add the Chinese languages, Japanese or other languages. Okay, and add the text for the JSON format. You can add the key and value pair value. Okay, okay, I shared my screen and show the how to look at that. Okay, I just use for the single text for hello world, and app bar, look at that, and languages for the default language, English language. Okay, I select and change the Arabic language. Okay, in Arabic language the standard globalization right to left side. Okay, and I change the French. Okay, look at that languages, it's dynamically. Okay, okay, that's it, and thank you.